Three things to take seriously in Ausbildung school. Now, if you are someone who is already in Ausbildung school or you're planning to come to Germany, for your Ausbildung, please pay attention to these three things I want to share in this video. Number one is called Bericht. Now, what is Bericht? Bericht is a book where you record all your activities at work. The school wants to see what you're doing at work. Without this, you cannot take your switching Prüfung, you cannot take your Abschlussprüfung. What is switching Prüfung? Switching Prüfung simply means mid exams. Abschlussprüfung simply means the final exams. So without this Bericht, you cannot take these two exams. So it's tiring. Like by the time you are done with work, you are tired. Coming back to record everything you did, can be, very difficult. But I will advise you to do that at the weekend, Friday, Saturday or Sunday, that you're not working. Please take out 2-3 hours to record everything you did, during the week. Without doing it, my brother, you might forget. And if you put anything wrong that is not what you did, your chef will control this very chef before taking it to school, because you have to submit it to your betrieb chef, that's your company chef, for them to correct check what you wrote, sign on them before taking it to school to also correct check. So please handle it as if your life depends on it. In fact, your life actually depends on it, because without it, all the time you have wasted in Ausbildung school is gone. In fact, you just wasted time in the school. So take Bericht seriously. Number two is your BT. BT means Beruf theory. That thing you're doing in your workplace, they will still teach you the schriftlich part of it, that the theoretical part of it. Please don't joke with this, course. That is the main reason why you are in that school. You can fail in another thing, but don't fail BT. If they are teaching it BT, please make sure you wear an elephant ear to make sure you pay attention. You might have difficulties with language because the Ich bin nicht that you have learned from the Sprachkurs is not what you're going to hear in the Ausbildung school. You're going to hear what is called Hochdeutsch. That is when you know the capacity of the brain you have. Going to school with English language is sehr einfach. You will not bother because it's like your Muttersprache. But if you are being taught in German language, not just a regular German language, in Hochdeutsch, my brother, if your brain is not working well, you might find it very, very difficult. So pay attention to your breathing. The last one is Wirtschaft competence. Now, what is this? It's called social Verhalten. In other words, that's your behavioral attitude in school, like how you relate, how you behave in school, whether you're a noisemaker, whether you used to come late. And anytime you're sick, please write to them that you are sick, you cannot come. Or if you have personal termin, tell them you have personal appointments with the doctor or with the Auslander beholder, anything. Please communicate to the school that you cannot come. Without doing this, it will affect your results, at the end of the day. Now, another thing you should avoid, you should never do as an Ausbildung student is charging your phone in class. See, teachers don't talk. Some of them don't talk, but they are writing it down in your budget competence. At the end of the day, you might, have your fingers burnt without knowing it. Please, because the school consider that most of these chargers and all of that cannot be trusted, and some of them, can even jeopardize the electrical components of the school and can even cause fire outbreak or things like that. So they don't trust outside gadgets. So coming to plug your phone or charge your phone in school is completely verboten, but they hid it from you. So avoiding this should be part of your virtual confidence or that social verhalten. So please take it seriously. Get a power bank if you must charge your phone at school, or please rather don't charge at all. They might not tell you, but they're writing it down. And at the end of the day, you'll be wondering what happened to your punkte. Is because you have used all your points to charge phone for the past 3 years. I remain the German do once again, the author of Europe Without Borders and the Easy Ausbildung in Germany. See you in my next video.